In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the right Mozzart betting app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to download Mozzart betting app on your Android smartphone, it's pretty simple. Just go ahead and look for Play Store or Google Play Store app on your Android smartphone and then tap on it to open. From here, you should see search bar here, or if you can't find this, go ahead and tap on search here and it will activate this search. So from here, just go ahead and search Mozzart like that, and then tap on search here, and here you'll see we have quite a number of apps. For instance, I have this Mozzart Bet, and we have also here Mozzart Sports. So for the betting app, go ahead and tap on this Mozzart Bet, and it is from Mozzart Bet Kenya, and this is the logo for the app, and you can see it has a star rating of 3.9 with over 811 reviews. Currently, the file size of this app is around 36 MBs with over 500,000 downloads at the time of recording this. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Mozzart Bet app and then install it on your smartphone. From here, you can tap on open to start using the app or to launch it. Alternatively, if you go back and open your apps, now you should be able to see Mozzart app here. And that's how you can install Mozzart Bet on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.